Yeah, is my screen visible now? Okay. See, I think I have sent you file, this Java Graduate file. After that, what you have to do, you have to just double click it, and here you will get this README, and you will get all the instructions. So Java file, I have already provided that Graduate file. After that, what you have to do, you have to go to this link. Just copy this link and go to this link, and after that you can install this window offline. It's 81 MB file. So after installing this, you can directly open this from this go.bat. This bat file, from bat file you can open this is the simple way of installing that Java Blackboard. So after this, just see, if you click it, actually, from this go you can directly open it. This is the main interface of our Java simulator. Here we will perform all the experiments. So I think you all have that manuals you have, no? This is the list of the experiment we have to perform. You all have the manual, no? This manual. Okay. So, here in the first experiment, what we have to just familiar with the digital training kit and associated equipments. For this, you can just read this manual, and I will show you the screenshot of how it's look. See, this is our Java. This is our Java Blackboard kit. Here we will perform all the experiments in the lab. What you have to do, you have to just supply that input you have to give, and you will get output across these terminals. So for this virtual lab, what will we do? We will perform all these experiments in our Blackboard, not on this kit. Request. So all our experiments we will perform in our this Java Blackboard simulator. This is that hardware kit we have. Here we will perform all experiments in the lab, but as we are going for this virtual lab, so we will perform all this in our simulator. And I will show you this how this is our simple Blackboard. I think you have already seen this, how the Blackboard look like. What we have, this is the horizontal pins where we usually apply the power supply, and this is for our ground, for that providing this ground link. And here all these pins, all these dots, they are connected in vertical fashion, and here we will provide this IC. And I think you all know how to read this IC. In IC, what we have a cut for identification, which is our right side and which is our left side. On the right side, what we usually have the input power, that is VCC, and on the you can say on the left, at the lowermost, we get the ground pins. So this is the simple you can say Blackboard, and here we will insert our IC and pins and check our output. So simply you can say this. This is our first experiment. This is just to analyze with this digital kit. So in this today lab, what will we do? We will realize this truth table of logic gates. So second experiment, you can see we will perform this second experiment, and in the further labs you can perform all the remaining experiment one by one. See, if you go to the second experiment, what we have a different logic gates. We have AND, OR, NOT. These are the three logic gates, and we have two universal gate, that is NAND and NOR. So all these, using these gates, we will perform all this experiment. So this is the circuit diagram of, you can say, IC configuration of IC 7408. So to perform every experiment, what you have to do, you have to note down the IC number, which IC represent which one. So I will simply show you how to perform these, or how to analyze these logic gates. For analyzing this logic gate, what you have to do, first you have to insert the breadboard. From insert and click on the breadboard. So here you can insert this breadboard. Similarly, if you want to insert multiple breadboard, you can also do. What you have to do, you have to just go to the insert and click on this breadboard. So like this you can insert multiple breadboard too. I will just delete one of this. After this, what you have to do, you have to insert the IC. For inserting IC, what you can do, go to the insert and click on chip. See, from the chip section you will find different options. So as we require this logic gates IC, this IC number we have to remember. For AND or NOT, all have the different IC number. So for this we have to remember this. So from the TTL part, what you can do, you have to double click and go to the logic. Here you will find all the ICs. If you click anywhere here, you will get that 7402. This is the positive NOR gate IC. And here you will get the configuration. We have a cut here. It means that 14 pin is we have VCC, and that 7 pin is our ground. You all are getting how you have to do that insert chip. Hello. Okay. So after clicking OK, you can insert this IC. So see this, you can drag this IC anywhere you want. So I will put it here. After that, what we have to do, see, we have inserted this 5402, which I see this represent, I think, chip. Yeah, I have to again check this 502. That is NOR gate. The NOR gate we have. Similarly, if you can insert that NOT gate, any IC, according to your circuit, you can insert any IC. For for NOR gate, what you have, this Y1Y, what is represent? It's the output, and 1A and 1B. These are the two inputs, and this is the output. Similarly, this 2Y, that is pin number 4, is the output, and pin number 5 and 6, these are the input. Similarly, that you have 4A and 4B, that is 11 and 12. These two pins are the input pins, and pin number 13, this is the output pin. And similarly, you can see, you are able to see that pin number 8 and 9, that is 3A and 3B. These are the input pins, and that pin number 10, this is the output pin. So in one IC, that is 7402, how many NOR gate we have? That is 4. Similarly, if you check this NOT gate, in this NOT gate, how many NOT gate we have? 1, 2, 3 and 3 here. So 6 NOT gate we have. So we can utilize each and every gate, or if you want some simple diagram, what you can do, you can just insert another IC and use that gate. But it's better if you utilize all the IC gate of one IC. So similarly, we have inserted that 7402. So here what we have to do, at pin number 14 we have to supply that we have to apply the supply. So we have to give in power supply at this 14 pin, and ground we have to provide at 7. So we will do that. I will just delete it. You can delete after clicking this IC. You can just simply press the delete. So at 14 pin, what we have to do, we have to apply the supply. For supply, what we have to, what we can do, we have to add wires, and for supply we usually take red color wire. So after clicking this red, you have to just click add wire. For providing IC, what you have to do, you have to click anywhere on this see, anywhere on this power supply lines, and after clicking here you can insert it anywhere. For inserting this wire, what you have to do, you have to just double click here at that point. Similarly, if you click one time, you can say rotate your wire. If you want to move from this pin to this pin, you can also do. For that, what you have to do, you have to single click and just drag the wire. So likewise, we have applied the supply power. We have applied. This is whole our supply, and this below lines, that is horizontal line, we will consider as ground pin. So now we have to insert this ground. For ground, what we will use black wire. Black, after clicking black, we have to add wire, and this pin number 7. So after clicking once at this pin, we have to just double click here. So after double clicking, we just insert that wire at that terminal. So like this, we have supplied this input power, and that ground we have given to the IC. After that, what we have to do, we have to apply the input as well as we have to take output. Input we will apply at pin number 2 and 3, that is from at 2 and 3, and output we will take from 1, pin number 1. So how to notify this we are working correctly? What we will do, we will insert LED, and at the input terminals we will insert a switch, so that we can toggle we have to supply input or not. So for this, what we will do, we can insert, first we have to insert this LED, single LED we will insert. After inserting this LED, you can drag it anywhere you want. Here I have just inserted this LED. After this, what we have, we require 2 input. 2 input means we require 2 switch. We have okay, sorry. This is the switch, no? This is the switch we have taken. We will provide this switch here. Similarly, another switch we will, another switch we will provide here. So these 2 switch we have taken. Similarly, we can take another LED. That is one LED we can insert. We can insert LED at this. After this, see circuit diagram, if you see in this, see our pin number 1, this is the output pin. It means from here we have to insert pin at this pin number 1. So pin number 1 will be connected to the LED. Similarly, pin number 2 and 3, these will be connected to the switch. So similarly, we will connect this. We will take, for this we will take this yellow wire and click on this add. So this, after clicking here, see, after clicking here, we have to insert at pin number 1. Sorry, we have to again insert this. You have to properly check whether you are inserting these pins correctly or not. After this, you can have to just insert this at this point. Similarly, we will provide the input. For input, we will use this green line. For we have to provide this. We can provide this 2 and 3 anywhere we can provide. So for that, what we can do, we have to first click here, again single click here, and then rotate this. So again we have to double click it. After that double click, we can insert this wire. Similarly, we have to insert this another wire from this switch. Yes. Likewise, you can insert these wires, and in this circuit what we have done, we have provided two inputs and we have taken output across this LED. So now we will check whether our NOR gate is working properly or not. So for checking this whether our circuit is working properly, what we have to do, we have to go to the simulation and click on run. So after this you can check this. When we have, you have to switch this on input switch, you have to double click this gate. See, I think output we have taken. When we have 0, did we correct this? See, we have to check the circuits properly, whether we have correctly provide this pin number or not. We have to provide this pin 2 and 3. 2 and 3, that is, we have provided to the circuit, and after that VCC, that is at 14 pin, we have to provide this input, and out that is ground, we have to provide from this pin number 7, and from here we are getting output. Okay, I think NOR gate, what we have in the NOR gate, when we have both 0, see what we have in the NOR gate, NOR gate, yeah, see what we have in the NOR gate, when we have both 0 0, we get 1, and we have when we have 0 1 or 1 0 or 1 1, we will get 0. So we have to check whether it's working or not. For this, what we have to do, we have to go to this simulation and run this, and after this we have 0. Did anyone find any error? I think we should check for another chip, no? Yes. I think we should check for another chip. Let's check for NOT gate. So for NOT gate, what we have to do, we have to supply the input power at 14 pin, and ground we have to provide it pin number 7. After this, we have to provide input at 1 pin and output at that is 2nd pin. Like this. So here we have to provide this input, add wires. So we have to provide this input at this pin, and for this black we will provide this ground. And after this we have to insert this LED. We will take it in here, and a single switch we required, we will insert it here, and after this what we have to do, we have to provide input at 1 number pin, and we have to take output from pin number 2nd. For this we will provide this, I think any wire we can provide, switch. So here we have to provide this input, and output we have taken from we have to take from this pin number 2. From pin number 2 output after this, what we have to do, we have to just run this simulation. See, it is working fine for this. I think some circuit mistake we have done. For this, what we see, when we have 0, that LED will is glowing, and we will, when we provide this 1, LED will be off. So likewise, you can see, you can make this NOT gate. Similarly, you can try for this NOR gate, where we I think we have made some mistake here. So we have to properly insert this wire. So in this wire only we have to take care at which pin we have to insert. So there is I think some error in this configuration. I think you can check it. See, we'll check it here also itself. Set this. So at pin and 1 and 2 we have to provide input. So let's check at this 1, similarly at pin number 2, and we have to take output from this third pin. Okay. After this, you can check it. Yeah, I think some error is there in marking here. Na? We have to provide input at 1 and 2 pin, and we have to take output at pin number 3. So there is error in the writing this. Na? Serial number, in writing serial number there is error. So in this, that is 7402, what we have to do? We have to provide this input at 1 and 2 pin, and we have to take output from the pin number 3. You got the point now? See, at 0 0 we are getting 1, and if we provide that 0 1, it's off, LED is off, and if we provide that is 1 1, we are getting 0, and again if we provide 1 0, we are getting 0. At 0 0 we are getting, see, at 0 0 we are getting 1, that is LED is on. So likewise you can perform all these experiments. You have to check, see, sometimes these marking written errors will be there. So you have to check some ICs, maybe some error will be there. You got the point now, how you have to do these all experiments? Okay. After this, what you have to do for this file? Na? For file, what you have to do? You have to draw the circuit. For drawing circuit, what you can do? You can go to this toolbox, and from this schematic editor. From this schematic editor, you can draw all the circuits. For example, if you have to draw this NAND gate or NOR gate, what you can do? You just have to drag this. See, this is our, after clicking here, this is our gate, and using this, that is input E. So likewise you can see, you can draw all the circuit. Input, that is B. Simply you can insert this circuit, and you can also take the help of this wire from so likewise you can give input, and you can draw this output part, that is output. So you will draw this circuit like in this schematic editor. So all circuits, or you can see logic gates, or this half adder or full adder, all circuits you will draw here. And after that you can just simply this file, or you can even take the screenshot of this and crop this circuit part only and paste in your file. And for the truth table, what you can do, you can directly make the table in the Word file. The circuit you will make like this. Experiment you will perform here, and in the word file for truth table you can take the help of this table box. In that you can insert that values too. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.